Sound good. I got this is a 2021 Chevy Silverado, so it does not have a Bose system that I don't see on the doors. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be install one of these 6.5 12-inch speaker box right here. That's Rhino, and we're gonna run the power wire. I haven't done one of these, so this is the first time I'm doing. So I know it's not a Bose system. It does have that. So anything from 19 to 25 will work. So I pop all of this off already. It's just clipped, so you can just use a pry. And when I say pry, I will share a link to buy it. So right there, I can see this rubber boot up there on the top, right there. It's hard to see, but I'm gonna take this 10mm out. See if I can run it right there. I can run it to the driver's side, but the problem is the battery is on this side, and I'm using an OFC wire 4-gauge kit, so I don't want to waste too much wire. So I'm gonna remove this 10mm out with the drill. Hopefully this one will take it out. Yep. And then I remove this clip right here. There's a clip. You just pull this clip off, and then I take the 5-inch socket with a 10mm and put it on there so I can reach to that one. There's a 10-inch right there, 10mm, and then now I'll be able to reach this. And then I did take the negative side battery out already. What I can do, I can just drill a hole right there if I wanted to, but I don't want to do that. I'm gonna just see if I can poke it through right there somehow. See how hard it is first. Right there. If not, I might have to drill a hole, but the best way is to get in through there, but that's too much work. Oh, so I'm gonna have to drill a hole right there underneath there, because that's gonna look like that. And I can drill through this piece too. I'm just trying to see what's best for me. I think I'm gonna have to do that. I got right here, I'm gonna sand it off. Alright, so basically, damn thing. So let's see how good it is. It's pretty clean. Don't want to touch that. Alright, got it in there. Pretty tight. Got the stopper, and then run the speaker wire to the back. I found this wire right there. So the brown is negative, the orange is positive. This is an RCA jack. I did a continuity where I test the side. This is supposed to be a positive. This is a negative. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put negative to the white one. I cut it because I'm not 100% sure that was a speaker that go to the left rear. So I didn't want to go up there because that's too much. I think the tuner is somewhere around here, but I'm not gonna go look for too much of that. That's too much work. I just trying to do as fast as I can. So I'm gonna use, forgot to turn on. I'm gonna turn that on. This is a Milwaukee solder. I'm gonna solder that. I'm not gonna show you how to solder that. It takes too much time. I use duct seal right there to seal it off. Basically, the RCA jack that we ran from the white and blue black, we just plug it in here with this kicker. It's got a built-in line out converter already. So you got positive and negative right here, and then you got red to the 12-volt, and then the black to the negative to the ground that I made right over there earlier. And just turn the radio on and it should be good to go. I am not sure if it's got ANC, so I'm gonna have a customer drive around the block, and if it does, I'll let you know.